Hello, and welcome to Introduction to Twilio. This is the first topic in this lesson, and I wanted to give you guys an overview of Twilio. We're going to go through some of the features of the software, what we can accomplish by using it. And then if you want to stop right now, just pause the video and go ahead and create an account by clicking the login button in the upper right-hand corner and starting the process by clicking sign up for free. Go ahead and do that for me. I'm going to go ahead and log in, so you might want to pause the video and then come back when you have created your account. There we go. All right, so this is the dashboard. This is where you're going to be able to see your balance, going to be able to access your API keys, which are very important for integrating with tools like Twilio. Tools like Zapier. This is Twilio. But when we integrate with Zapier, you're going to have to be able to grab this account SID and account token, which you can click the show button. It will give it to you. You can just copy it by clicking this button over here. We'll review that in the future. But from here, if you have just created your account, this will show a temporary balance, I believe, of $15, maybe 20. But that's just a test balance, and you can't integrate with Zapier with a test balance. So you have to fund it with actual money from a card. The best way to do this is to just come down here. I went past it here. Go back home. Come down here to billing. And then click add funds and add your payment card. Once you've clicked add funds and added your payment method, then you might want to pause it real quick and go ahead and do that. You will come through here into the more button, scroll down to phone numbers, and you're going to buy a phone number. Now you can buy a phone number with your area code, or you can buy a phone number with any area code. So my area code's 317, so I purchased one with 317. I also have 1256 that sends the automated messages from my funnel on RisePage. So this handles all of RisePage, right? You can choose whatever number you want. It doesn't matter. Go ahead and add that number by clicking the plus button up here. And as you can see, it will take you through the process where you can search by digits. Go ahead and click search. And you will always want to remember that when you buy a phone number, you want to make sure that it has all four of these as enabled capabilities. So right here you see capabilities. You want to make sure that voice, SMS, MMS, which is multimedia messaging, so you can send a picture, right? A GIF, and fax. You want to make sure they can do all three of those, okay? Other than that is, I want to go back to the dashboard here, and I want to draw your attention to usage. This gives you a running history of basically what you're spending and how. So like for instance, programmable SMS, you can see that I have carrier fees for the amount of messages that have been going out. This is just for May, right? So with that being said, keep an eye on this because that's where you're going to be able to find how much you're spending. And then also all products and services. You go back to your phone number. Once you start delivering text messages, You select your phone number. It will take you to an area where you can see the logs. So go to messages log, and you can see every message that was sent and how much it costs you. Some are different per carrier. So let me give you an example. Go to the next page. See how this one's 0.015 and then 0.0225? It's because it's a different carrier that you're sending a text message to. Carrier fees may apply. So keep an eye on this as well to track your expenditure if you'd like, and to make sure that the messages are going through. So a good example, if you go far enough over, delivered, 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 oh, undelivered. Why? Unknown destination handset, the destination number you are trying to reach is unknown or may no longer exist. So somebody changed their phone number, right? So that's all that we can assume from this. If you're tracking people on a list where you're sending them all text messages at the same time, you might want to use this as a tool to go into that list and delete that phone number from your master list so that you're not texting dead phone numbers. All right. So other than that, it's just a basic introduction to Twilio. We'll go deeper into each one of the products and services as we go throughout the course. We're going to start with programmable SMS and go from there. But this was a good introduction for you. Again, on your home dashboard, always remember, this is where you're going to grab the information for Zapier to put it all together. Okay, so be sure to maybe save twilio.com/console, which you'll find up in your address bar. Maybe save that as a page on your browser so you can go back to it at any time. But other than that, guys, is a good introduction on to the next topic.